Hello everyone. So, paano po mag-pay ng membership? So, i-click po ninyo yung My Membership and lalabas po itong Pay Monthly Membership Now for 9.95. So, i-click po ninyo yan kung monthly ang babayaran ninyo or upgrade to yearly membership 99.95. Nakaka-discount po kayo ng $20. So, halimbawa, ito po yung i-click natin. Pay for 9.95. So, you already have Live Good membership card. Click na lang po yung OK. Tapos dito po sa taas, 'di ba, may home genealogy shop at yung may cart. I-click po yung cart. Okay, so nandiyan na po yung membership ninyo. Okay, and check out lang po. I-click lang po yung check out. After that, sa pinakadulo, makikita po ninyo yung dalawang box. I-click lang po yun to agree and then pay lang po. And then yun na po, tapos na yun siya. And makikita nyo po siya na pumasok po siya doon po sa order history. Alright, so hope this helps. Thank you for watching.